Justin Lobato here inside of the wonderful Autogeek show car garage. And today we are here to talk about Pinnacle products, specifically the Pinnacle Leather and Vinyl Cleaner. Now, this is an amazing product for all of your automotive interior cleaning needs when it comes to, of course, leather and vinyl. Now, this is also safe on rubber as well, so a good majority of surfaces that it works very, very effective on. However, the base of this product is water-based, but it has a citrus-based cleaner to it. So that way it's highly effective and best of all, safe and biodegradable. However, I would recommend before you get into cleaning any of the surfaces in a less noticeable area, maybe try a little test spot just to make sure there's no adverse effect in regards to maybe the age of the surface or the type of surface you're gonna apply this product to. Now, in that application process, that's something that you could either apply it to a brush, of course, a microfiber towel, or the Speedmaster interior scrub brush. This is a great product, I feel, on almost all surfaces, especially leather. It does a really good job with cleaning leather. And going back to this product, this is super safe on leather. You're not gonna have to worry about it stripping the natural oils from the leather, and also some of the sealers that come from the manufacturer. It really doesn't compromise that either. So that's where it becomes really safe and effective in that category. This is something you would follow up with for protection with the Pinnacle vinyl and rubber protectant, or of course for your leather, the Pinnacle Leather Conditioner. Any of those products, of course, you could find at autogeek.com, and of course all of the Pinnacle line of products. But most of all, if you're looking for the leather and vinyl cleaner, that's where you're gonna wanna visit autogeek.com.